In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a central model in Revit. Now, the first thing you want to do is open an existing or, of course, a new model. So I'm going to click on a new over here, and I'm actually just going to create a new one over here. I'm going to click on like that, and then I'm going to click on project and then OK again, okay? So this is going to create a project just like this, and of course, from here, you can then go ahead and save it. So I'm going to go to File top left, and I'm going to click on Save, and I'm actually going to save it into my Downloads folder, and I'm going to name this one Tutorial, okay? Just like this. So, for example, Tutorial 1, okay? And then I'm going to click on Save, and there we go. It's going to save it wherever you want to actually save it. Then after you do this, you want to go to the Collaborate menu up top. So usually it's going to start, of course, loading for a few seconds to save. There we go. Go to Collaborate up top, and then click on the Collaborate button again. Now, whenever you've done this, you can, of course, select how you would like to collaborate. You could do within your network or in the cloud. I'm going to do network and click on OK. And now you'll see that after a few seconds, all of these Collaborate tools are going to be activated up top, okay? So now, just wait for a few seconds for this to actually process. You can always see the loading phase down here at the bottom left, and you'll see how far you are. There we go. As you can see, pretty much everything is active except of this sync over here, okay? So now what you have to do is click on this Save button yet again, top left, and as you can see, it says Save File as Central Model. So this way, we can now create a central model. You can just go ahead and click on Yes, and of course, it's going to save the project as the central model. So click on the Yes button over here, as I said. And again, you have to wait for a few seconds for this to actually load in, depending on your computer. There we go. As you can see, bottom left, it's now saving this to be a central file. And when this comes to 100, you'll see that, of course, your specific model has been saved, and you can now go ahead and use these synchronized tools up top as well, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.